Welcome back to Ayaz Tech. In this video, I am going to show you that how you can simply install phpMyAdmin by using DigitalOcean with just a few clicks. So even if you are not very technical, even if you don't have so much experience or knowledge in the servers, you can still install the phpMyAdmin very easily in very few steps. So let's begin. So first of all, open your DigitalOcean account and click on the droplets. And now if you don't have any droplet yet, then you will see this page. So just click on the create button and click on the droplets, and after that on this page you have to select the region that you want to choose. For now I'm going to keep it as it is default, and let's go down. Here you have this section, choose an image. From here just click on the marketplace, and here you have to type the package or image that you want to install. As we want to install phpMyAdmin, just type phpMyAdmin. So after that, select the size of the droplet. I have selected basic, and here I'm going to select the regular, and here I will select the $6 per month, but you can select whatever you want to prefer depending on your requirements. So now scroll down and click on the password. Just add any password that you want to add. So after you have added your password, scroll down and you can give it any name. I am going to give it the phpMyAdmin name, so it can be anything random. Now click on the create droplet and wait for some time. So the benefit of this approach is that this would not only set up and install your phpMyAdmin, but also it will install and set up the MySQL server as well in your droplet. So that is very helpful for you. So you don't have to go through the headache of setting up MySQL server. It will do everything for you out of the box. So just wait for some time. Okay. Now it looks like that it has been completed. So just click on the get started button, and on the right side this will give you all of the details that you need to start using the phpMyAdmin. These are the some information that it is telling you about that what it has done for you out of the box. So you can read all of these if you want, and these are the some instructions that you can follow. For example, after you create a phpMyAdmin one-click droplet, you can do these things. For example, if you want to access the phpMyAdmin, you just have to append the phpMyAdmin after your IP address of droplet, and other than that, you can simply log into your droplet as a root by using the password that you created earlier. And other than that, if you want to get the password of your phpMyAdmin or MySQL, just sign into your droplet with the help of the terminal and find this file. In this file, you will get all of the passwords that you need to access your MySQL or your phpMyAdmin. So let's do that. Okay, you can see that we can access the phpMyAdmin by adding the phpMyAdmin after the IP address. Let's access the terminal of this droplet to access the passwords of the phpMyAdmin. So click on the access and click on the launch droplet console as a root and wait for some time. Okay, now you have logged into your droplet console. From here, you have to follow the instruction that were provided in the get started section of this droplet application. And as it is saying that you have to go to this path, so I'm just going to copy this path and I will open the terminal, and here I will type cat space and then paste the path that you just copied and press enter. With that, you will see three different passwords. This is the root password for the MySQL, this is the admin password for the MySQL, and this is the app. So right now we need the admin password. So just copy this password and go back to your phpMyAdmin and type admin and paste the password and click on the login button. After that, you can see that now we have access to our phpMyAdmin. So this is how you can install the phpMyAdmin and then access it. So I hope that this video was useful for you. I hope that this video is useful for you. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon if you want to get notified for all of my upcoming videos. And also please like and share this video. Thanks for watching. See you next time.